Okay, we walk into our room. Come on. Do you know where the room is at? Where you going?
To room 7030. 730. Just like the time.
Ooh, that's it. No, come on. It's scary. So high. Give me the key. It smells so good in here. Refrigerator. It's the bathroom. No, they used to be with Neutrogena. I guess they switched to zero now. With a hair dryer, towels. They even got pads in there. Store slides. Then this is the room. I think this is the closet. Yeah. Safe down there. It's a little dark. I don't have all the lights on. I like this here. Let me see. Show you. This lights up. That is so cool right there. Messy bed, messy bed. TV. This is outside of Atlanta. The view. Choose Park. You can see the theater from here. See if I could, it's like right there. The Battery. Is it the theater there? I think that's the field. The Atlanta Braves, whatever you call it. And then all the way down there, I guess it's downtown. You see the buildings, but it's like foggy, the weather. Ooh. Embassy Suites. We had a great time. You know what they still keep at hotels? The Holy Bible. Let's see, there's no money in here. The Holy Bible. That's a sofa bed. really roomy. Like, I mean, we stood at a lot of hotel Hiltons. Hilton member, yeah. But this one here is out of the second one that is, and it smells so good every time you walk in. Ooh, can't forget my charger. Okay, that was a quick tour of the suite.